Okay, this 20-year-old printer, it's a Commodore Mps 1270 print out now Windows XP page, and I wanted to print Windows 10 or Windows 8 or Windows 7, but the problem is to share this printer to Windows XP or to a computer what has a LPT port is not so easy, so I do it now with Windows XP installation on a computer what has a parallel port. There you see that this still is working and doing his job amazingly. Okay, it's very slow, but yeah, forget the crap was upper there. I used, after so many tests, pages what had bad stuff on it. But you see, still the old printer it works. Amazing. Okay, in German, but it needs the time to do it, but it does it. Nice. Commodore done a very great printer. Bye.